Every luxury product begins far from the factory floor. Preparation and logistics shape the first step of the process.
Raw materials are stabilized immediately after collection.
Every section is measured for industrial precision.
Temperature control protects the material during transport.
The journey to the manufacturing facility now begins. Inside the factory, transformation is ready to begin.
Careful unloading protects every raw material entering production. Initial inspections determine the path of every batch. Digital tracking keeps the production system synchronized.
The material advances deeper into the processing ecosystem. Preparation ensures consistent cleaning before processing. Deep industrial cleaning marks the start of transformation. The factory operates as a continuous industrial ecosystem. Every department moves in synchronized precision. The core of production never stops moving. Sorting determines how each material will be transformed. Precision trimming prepares the surface for deeper refinement. Secondary cleaning removes the final industrial residue. Controlled drying stabilizes the material for processing ahead.
Environmental control prepares the material for refinement. Every surface is examined for luxury-grade quality. Mechanical precision creates uniform production standards.
Softening transforms the rigid texture into workable material.
Balanced moisture ensures stability through every next stage. Flattening creates the foundation for precision manufacturing. Calibration guarantees consistency before transformation begins.
Specialized treatment solutions shape the next transformation stage. Controlled immersion strengthens durability and texture.
Pressure systems force consistency deep into the material.
Excess treatment is removed before thermal stabilization. Thermal drying locks durability into the material. Polishing reveals the refined finish required for luxury products. Precise pattern design determines every future component. Automation delivers accuracy impossible by hand alone. Human craftsmanship refines what machines begin.
Layering creates comfort beneath the luxury exterior.
Stitching transforms separated panels into wearable structure.
The foundation of durability forms under intense pressure.
Separate components finally unite into a complete product.
Automation locks every component into permanent alignment. Digital inspection ensures every measurement remains exact. Mechanical brushing reveals the material's final texture.
Protective coatings preserve the luxury finish for years.
Controlled heat secures the final protective layers.
Even the smallest detail follows industrial precision. Human attention completes what automation perfects. Every stitch must meet luxury manufacturing standards. Perfect balance defines premium craftsmanship.
Edge refinement delivers the signature luxury appearance.
Protective finishes enhance both durability and appearance. Protective finishes enhance both durability and appearance.
The final presentation begins before shipment worldwide.
Quality testing begins with strict sample selection.
Surface endurance determines long-term luxury performance. Environmental testing simulates years of real-world exposure.
Structural integrity must survive extreme industrial standards. Human expertise delivers the final approval.
Only fully certified products continue to global distribution. Every package is secured for global transportation. Finished products wait inside controlled storage facilities. Global distribution begins at the factory loading docks.